In this video, we will show the best washing machine detergents in India 2020. At number 1, Surf Excel Matic Liquid Detergent. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, IFB Essentials Fluff Fabric Detergent. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Ariel Matic Liquid Detergent. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Bosch Detergent for Washing Machine. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Surf Excel Matic Top Load Detergent Powder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 6, Syclone Matic Top Load Detergent Powder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 7, Ariel Matic Top Load Detergent Washing Powder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 8, Surf Excel Matic Front Load Detergent Powder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 9, Ariel Matic Front Load Detergent Washing Powder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 10, Henko Matic Front Load Detergent Powder. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.